Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to retrofit a 1989 hot spring Grandee with the Eagle control system. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, 8mm driver, heat gun, wire strippers, needle nose vice grips, crimping tool, pliers, duct tape, silicone, jigsaw, drill, flat file, compound miter saw, and Christie's red hot PVC glue. Parts you will need: you will need all these parts. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa. Step 3. Remove the heater. Disconnect the heater outlet tubing. Disconnect the heater inlet tubing. Remove the mounting screw. Unplug the heater, jet pumps, and sensors from the box. Step 4. Disconnect the incoming power wires. Step 5. Remove the control panel. Step 6. Loosen the control box mounting screws and remove the control box. Step 7. Remove the control box mounting bracket. Step 8. Install the new mounting bracket with 2 wood screws and check the fitment of the Eagle box. Step 9. Glue the barbed adapters to the elbow with PVC glue. Step 10. Install the elbow, tubing, and spring clamps on the circ pump. Step 11. Install the 70384 barbed coupling on the outlet tubing of the heater. Step 12. Install the tubing with spring clamps and connect it to the barbed coupling and the heater outlet. Step 13. Install the LED spa light with the duct tape. Step 14. Install the tubing on the inlet side of the heater with a spring clamp. Step 15. Install the high limit and temperature control thermistors. Step 16. Install the heater drain hose. Step 17. Install the flag terminals on the pumps with the crimping tool. Step 18. Mount the Eagle control box with the 36898 mounting screws. Step 19. Connect the LED spotlight with the light adapter to zone 1 on the motherboard. Step 20. Connect the circulation pump. Connect the black wire to J34, white wire to J42, and the green ground wire to the grounding screw. Step 21. Connect jet pump 2. Connect the black wire to J32, white wire to J31, and the green ground wire to J30. Step 22. Connect the jet pump 1. Connect the black wire to J27, white wire to J28, and green ground wire to J29. Step 23. Connect the pressure switch and the 2 thermistors. Step 24. Connect the heater. Connect the white wire to H1, the black wire to H2, and the green wire to the ground screw. The black and white wire can go into either H1 or H2. Step 25. Connect the incoming power. Connect the 230 amp wires to terminals 2 and 4. Connect the 220 amp wires to terminals 5 and 6. Connect the white neutral wire to terminal 7 and the green ground wire to the grounding lug. Step 26. Measure the width of the slat. Mark it with a pin and cut it to length. In this video, we cut the slat to 18 1/4 inches. Step 27. Center the bezel on the slat. Trace the opening of the bezel with a pen or pencil. Step 28. Drill pilot holes in each corner of the outline. Step 29. Cut along the outline with a jigsaw. Step 30. Check the fitment of the control panel. Make sure it fits nice and tight in the opening. Step 31. Glue the panel to the slat with silicone if needed. Step 32. Drill pilot holes in each corner of the slat. Step 33. Plug the control panel into the control head interface on the motherboard. Step 34. Mount the control panel to the spa with wood screws. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.